Hello, this is Abhimanyu, and in this video you are going to learn how to develop such web application in ASP.NET which can report to the admin guy about the errors that end user or say website user is experiencing on your blog or website. After reading this post, you're definitely going to add this feature to your existing website or existing blog. So let's create an ASP.NET web application and see how it works. Now Visual Studio is up to us. Let's create an web project. For this I'll click on File, New and Project. I'll choose here project as a web and web application, and location on desktop I'll rename it as demo error mailer and click on OK. Now we have a simple ASP.NET web project by name demo error mailer. Let's open global.asx file and add some codes inside application error. Here is my application error method. I'll add some code here. Now inside application error handler I'm using response.write and writing some error page as a heading, and here I am using system.exception to get the server last error. In this line I am again writing sorry for the inconvenience that may have been caused to you, and in this line the same I am writing error message using the exc.message, that is exception message. This line will clear the error from the server. Now reporting to the administrator is beginning from the here. First of all I am creating a string URL variable and placing the requested URL, and in this line I am creating a mail body string and assigning it by the following messages that will be displayed inside mail body. In the mail, error on the page will be displayed by the value of URL. Link on the web page will be displayed request.url referral, and error message, that is exe.message, trace message, that is exe.stacktrace. Again I am adding some string to the existing mail body by using plus sign here, and also I am sending the platform that is being used by the user by using the code request.browser.platform and browser request.browser.browser and browser type by request.browser.type and version of the browser by request.browser.version. Here I am creating a string variable mail response and assigning it by calling this method. This method has three parameters: email ID, where to send the mail, that is to address, and the subject and the body of the mail that we are creating above here. Now at the end, mail response is being displayed by the response.write here. Note, mail response.toString. Now let's generate the method stub for sendMail method by right clicking above and generate and then method stub. It will generate a method here. Now I am going to modify the parameters being used for send mail. Here's it. There is three parameter: to email add, mail subject, and mail message HTML string. Now let's place the statements for this method. Delete this and place the code. Now here is the coding which will send the mail to the admin body. In this coding I am creating a object of mail message, and in this message I am adding the to address, from, subject, body, and is body as HTML or not. That is true. That means we will use our body as HTML. In the to email address, I am receiving this value here by creating a new object again. In the from, using the object of mail address and having two parameters, that is from where to send mail, that means it is from mail address, email ID, from email ID, and sender name. Mail subject will be mail subject here, that will come from mail subject parameter, and the body of the mail, that is also parameter. Now I'm creating an object of SMTP client that will be consumed to send the mail. I'm adding a port number as 25 and host as mail.itorian.com, and also creating a network credential object NC, assigning it with the credential, that is my email ID, or say it username, and the password here, and then adding it as a false and adding the credential to client SMTP here equals NC. NC has my credential, username, that has username and password of my email ID. I will change my password here later. Here I am using a try catch block to send the mail and return the value. If any error encountered above, the catch statement will return following value, that automated system not success, to report this to the administrator. If success, it will send automated system success to report this to the administrator. Try catch block will return the string, this string, and it will be displayed here, mail response dot to string. Now let's make some mistake and check whether it is mailing to the administrator or not. For this, I'll open the master page and create a broken link for about page. Let's change it as about1.aspx and run the application. You can see the running project on my screen. I'm going to click about, and here is the error message being displayed. Now let's open the email ID and check whether the mail is received there or not. On your screen you can see I have opened my Yahoo Mail, and there is a mail in my inbox. Let's open it. Look at the errors. Error on the page, that means target web page where we are wishing to go, and got the error, means that is target page http localhost, and about one means we are wishing to navigate on about1.aspx page, but it didn't find, means the complete error message is here, and the file about1.aspx doesn't exist. Link on web page, source web page, that is where we've got this link and clicked, that is on the home page default.aspx. Here is the trace message record and the platform where we have opened that website or blog, the browser and browser type, and its version is also in the mail body. So that's all about the website error reporter in ASP.NET. Thank you.